Hi, I'm Dale and welcome to Spotted Motors. Now, I'm going to get this out straight away. This isn't going to be the most exciting video on YouTube or the most exciting video you've ever seen. I had a bit planned this weekend, but the weather hasn't helped and this coronavirus hasn't helped either. So you find me alone in my garage and I thought I still want to get a video out there. I did say at the start of 2020 I want to be getting as many videos out there as possible, and I'm not going to let this put me off doing it. Now, me and Michael Castle, who you've seen in the previous videos, we've got tons of stuff planned, but a lot of this looks like it's going to come together in the summer. So for now, I'm just going to get a couple of videos out there. Like I said, nothing exciting, but just to keep you up to date and to keep you up to date on what's going on. So I'm in my garage. Underneath this cover is the Mazda MX-5 that I bought around about 8 months ago. It's sat here for the last 6 months with the cover on it, and I haven't even started it up. So I thought, let's get out, let's put a battery on it and let's get it fired up. So like I say, not the most exciting video in the world, but at least we can have a bit of a catch up, tell you exactly what, you know, what plans I've got and what I'll be getting up to. And hopefully, like I say, me and Michael can get back up to speed with each other. He's currently working away and it's crazy at the minute. So yeah, let's get on and let's get the battery fitted. We are in the garage. I thought I'd show you a little bit of what I get up to in here. So I try to keep it as neat as possible. I like a little bit of artwork and a few things hung up on the wall. Got my centre helmet. Got parts here for the Mazda, which I need to get around to fitting. Again, they've sat there for a good couple of months now, and it's absolutely chock-a-block as well, as most garages are. Battery's in the boot of this, and I've got the battery in the van, had it on charge for the last couple of days, so hopefully I can get it charged up. Hopefully it's charged up, sorry, and hopefully this thing will start. So yeah, let's get straight on. So as I'm doing what I'm doing, we'll have a bit of a catch up as well. So obviously the weather's been horrendous lately, and that means a lot of shows have been pretty quiet. And we are coming to the oh, hang on a minute, what's going on here? Give us a minute, the cover's harder to take off than I thought. There we go. So we're coming into show season, so hopefully I can get a couple more exciting videos out there. But like I say, for now, a bit of a catch up and we can get on some boring jobs. So for those of you who don't know about the Mazda, I bought this about 8 months ago, and I bought this for my newborn baby. And this car is basically her 18th birthday present, so it's going to go into storage for a long time, so it's not going to get a great deal of use. But I do need to get it able to start up so I can move it, and so nothing seizes up, and just keep all the fluids going around the motor and stuff like that. So anyway, I'll get the battery out and we'll hopefully get it started up. My god, isn't this exciting? Now if you were watching this, wow, well done for getting this far, because fitting a battery in a car, it's not that exciting, is it? But it's all we've got at the minute. Can't remember which one's which here, so what I might do is skip to the exciting part where we actually put the key in the ignition, and I'll get this fitted, because I might be making it for the next couple of minutes, so see you in a minute or two. So it's in. There she is, fitted, and the lights are on, so that's a bit of a good sign. I've even strapped it down, that's how confident I am. I mean, it's a Mazda, for crying out loud. It's surely to God 6 months of sitting. Oh, hang on a minute, how am I going to get in? Right, I've got a bit of manoeuvring to do. This is way too close. Give us 2 minutes. There we go, that's a bit better. I'm sure I can squeeze myself into there. Who else is excited? I sure am. Like I said, surely. Oh, look at that. Definitely hasn't moved, has it? A bit of mould in there. I'm gonna have to get that sorted out straight away. So if you can see me, this is got to be one of the worst YouTube videos out there. Let me scuttle across. Oh dear me. Right, I'm in the driver's seat. I haven't had the handbrake on, so there's nothing to worry about there. Right, here we go. 6 months of sat completely still. Let's crank it over. Oh, Jesus. Right. That battery must be completely kaput. Time for the jump leads. Right, got the trusty Transit Connect now feeding me a little bit of power. Try not to blow myself up here. I'm going to put the camera down. Right, we are connected. Back in we go. See if I can get this fired up, and to save any climbing over this seat again, I'm going to just see if it'll turn over just on the key. Alright, you ready? Oh, look at that! It's fired up! Fantastic. I'm going to let this warm right up now because, like I say, it hasn't moved or been fired up for the last 6 months. And that's a lovely little tick over on that as well. Typical Mazda though, it's no worries in that way. So let me get all this disconnected and then we'll have a bit of a catch up. So there you have it, probably one of the least exciting videos out on YouTube. Well, most certainly until I put my next one out there. It's starting to rain, and what I don't want to do is get this car out now, take it around the block and just get it absolutely sopping wet and then bring it back in here and store a wet car. So unfortunately the video is going to get even more boring because that is it, that's all I'm going to be doing. It has fired up, which is great, and it's on a lovely tick over. There's nothing tapping there, so obviously the oil's getting around everywhere real nice. Bit of a catch up though. What I want to do 2020, like I said, I want to get as many videos out there as possible. Now with the weather and with this coronavirus that's kicking around now, that's cancelling some events, it's quite hard to get stuff out there. I'm in between cars as well, so I haven't really got much to show you in that way, but do stick around. Come summer, I've got absolutely tons planned. Michael Castle's right in board as well. We're getting all this type of stuff done. We've got his drag car to do a couple of videos with, and hopefully we'll get a couple of quarter mile and eighth mile runs at Santa Pod and at Melbourne Raceway, which is hopefully going to take off this year as well. We've got a load of other stuff planned. I don't want to let you, don't want to give too much away. I want to keep you hanging on so you can, look forward to what we have got planned. But please get subscribing, get talking about Spotted Motors. We want to get it out there, and also follow me on Instagram as well, because that's where you'll see a lot of what I'm doing when it doesn't come to the actual filming of stuff. So apart from that, there's not really much else to tell you, but this is just a short, sharp video, just to keep the videos nice and constant. Unfortunately, like I say, I can't get the Mazda out because it's absolutely sopping wet out there, but the most exciting bit of the video was it actually starting up, which was a bit of a anticlimax as well, wasn't it? So yeah, that just leaves me to say thank you very, very much for watching. Please hang around, and like I say, any comments, get them in the section below, and any ideas as well that you'd like to see me getting involved in, and getting Michael involved in as well. So give this video a like, definitely hit that subscribe button, and definitely give this video a little comment as well. Let's get a bit of a chat going as well. So that's just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. I've been Spotted Motors.